Omukoro gw'okushendekyereza Canon Kosiyatu lyagenda gwahikwaho enkomi n'enkomi z'abantu. Dr. Charles Masco w'ekika ky'omugenzi Canon Kosiyatu lyagenda ashoboora ng'omugenzi ayisirwe oburwaire bw'ebihaha habw'okuguma nibisiriira ate ayereka okutashemererwa n'ishengyero lya Uganda ng'omu mbalirira y'ebyesente tibarikutamu mibazi abashaho n'ebyoma eby'okureeberera abakuzire biri omu myanya mikye.
I know that one of the functions of Parliament is appropriation of the budget. Now, the budget of Parliament, when you reach there, kindly look at the forum to support the seniors in the country, in the whole country. And this I have already presented it to the minister, but I want you to pick it so that we work together.
Gerard Brooks gumisiriza mutabani w'omugenzi Canon Kosiyatu yagenda agira ngo kufa kwishe kukaruga oburwaire bwa COVID-19 obwamusigire n'ekizibu aha bihaha bye kuruga omu kujanjaba.
Kurwara COVID ejo twata kucumanya ngu yamurikaho something bad. Echi Dr. Charles Masco yanagamba hano ekamurikaho a disease that is called an interstitial lung disease, and which caused him fibrosis of the lungs.
Honorable Arthur Twerire Kazoora omwishengyero wa Ruhinda South omu district ya Mtoma yasima abantu abakwatanise nabo kurwaza omugenzi ari kugira ngo okufa kwa Canon Kosiyatu lyagenda kubiireho aha bwire oburuhanga yamugeriire.
Yenda kusima Ruhanga abantu yenda kujya yenda kumusima bwa Canon kufa yenda kusima Ruhanga okushikiriza obwire bwa Canon akamutwara obwire bwe ekinde ekikukira y'omunsi omu nabakyeta time kero kwika hire n'omukoro kugihindura.
Jessica Tulyagenda omukazi w'omugenzi Kosiyatu lyagenda yasiima omushaija we kuturira omu magara g'okujunwa obwire bw'amaka gaabo ari kubuurira enjiri obwire bwona akareeberera abaana kandi akahika akufa takamuteeraga konka ahikire akufa batakakozire omukoro gwabo gw'okujaguza emyaka 5 y'obushwere omu kwezi kwa 12. Reverend Canon Elisha Waswa wa Bishops Kamisare wahumwire aha busabadikona All Saints Church Rujumbura agidikonare ashobora byafaayo bya Canon Kosiyatu lyagenda.
Bakagana komite bakasaba mebezabyo yonka aro liwa amwira kana manga bwe bokano tangari bawazaranga Kosiyaka kagarika abashubuza hamwe n'abanyarwanda n'abandi b'abamukunda bamuhereze mikono yagarikaho yafuraje n'induka yagarikaho kutakiza bine bakataho.
Omukubura Right Reverend Patrick Tugume Bishop wahumwire yagira ngo abanyeshengyero nibasiba omu byaro byabo nibaziika basigaho emirimo yabo ekitahikire badeho iteeka ly'okuguma bakareeba bakaziika omu weekend.
Parliament mugende mwagarikayo and the members of Parliament think again what you can do for your common villages, your common constituencies.
Yayongera yereka ekizibu kyangwe kya gavumenti kutandikaho na za municipality na town council zitinirimbo abantu bakaguma nibabaziika eibabona bakahendera abatimbagwire ebituuru barikora entunguuka.
Mugende mugiremu mortuaries, mwombeke mortuaries in your local district or constituent hospitals, mugire mortuaries, so that people have to be kept bodies local their weekends because
omugenzi asigefa akazemwe abana mushanju abijukura abana babiri kandi yagwahirwa rya IHM Kampala kandi afiire oburwaire bw'okumusisira ebihaha aha myaka 3 y'obukuru. Amakuru aga gasha kwa Smart Robert Mugabe.